This could be my micro lock journey. This hairstyle I'm about to do is either going to make or break my hair. I am going to be attempting mini braids, micro braids, whatever you want to call them, for the very first time. And I cannot forget to mention where I got my inspiration from, and it's from this creator called Elsa. Her hair is just gorgeous, and I was just like, I have to try it with my hair. It's gonna be a long week because I already know I'm a slow braider, guys. Like when it comes to like all my other braids, it takes me like 3 days to do, 2 to 3 days. But with this is my natural hair, so it should be quicker. But they're micro. I've already washed, conditioned, blow dried my hair and everything. So yeah, let's just get this started. It's going to be a long couple of days. I'm starting this, what's the time now? 8:30. It's 8:30 right now. I don't know why I decided to do it in the evening, but my motivation always comes in the evening for some reason. Wish me luck, guys. I don't know why I'm doing this. I really don't. But it just looks so good. It looks so good. I want to try all the little hairstyles that she was doing. So my main focus tonight will be pre-parting my hair. That takes me a while because obviously like it just takes, you know. And then tomorrow I'm thinking about doing at least 4 rows. Let's see how that goes. Stay tuned for the next part. So my hair currently like goes up to here. I cut it like in the beginning of the year because it was just getting really bad. So I hope I don't lose too much length, and I hope I have thickness, because I know I look like I've got a lot of hair right now, but when I start braiding my hair's gonna look small. So Elsa added a little bit of like extensions in the front, and I think I'm gonna do the same thing because I don't want to look bald, you know. So yeah, wish me luck, because I'm gonna need it. So it's the next day. I have pre-parted my hair. That took a while because I don't know why I struggle to part my hair. It's just the longest thing ever. And I even think that I made one side of my hair thicker than the other, but we're just gonna roll with it. I'll figure it out as I go along. But essentially this is, I don't know if you guys can see that. You probably can't see it, but this is how it looks. So with the back, I'm thinking to make it bigger than the front, just because, first of all, it'd be quicker. The nape of my neck, the nape of my head is a lot more fragile, so I need to make that bigger anyways. And then the rest, I think like when I get up to like here, I'll start making them smaller and smaller and smaller and smaller and smaller. But yeah, I'm just gonna get on with it because I got a long day today. So I've done my back like nape area. It took me like about 2 hours. This is going to be the largest I'm going to make them, and it is a bit messy at the back because I just don't really care about this area because you never see it. But my hair is like, it's taking well to it. I'm just making sure that I'm not borrowing any hair, because you really don't want to do that so you can take them out easily, and so your hair doesn't tangle and stuff. And what I'm using to moisturize my hair is the Blue Magic, just not moisturize, but like just to make sure that it's just not dry. Yeah, so this is how my hair is looking. I'm gonna break for lunch, and then I'll be back. So guys, this is where I'm currently at. I'm at the front now, and I've started adding hair to my front pieces, like this whole section, because it's really short. I just added like some extensions to it. As you guys can see, like it's significantly a different texture. Not really significantly, it's just a different texture. So this is what it looks like. And this is the back. Hopefully I'll be finished by tonight, because I really don't want to work on this hair anymore. I'm really tired, and yeah. I needed this Fanta. So what I'm doing is applying the Blue Magic to my scalp, and then I apply it to the rest of my hair, because I do not want my hair to break whilst I am braiding it. And then I get my brush and I just kind of just brush it out like this. I get a section, like a small section, small enough, because I want these to be quite small. Like this is not even small enough. And I only use gel on this part of my hair, just this edge part. I don't use it on any other part of my hair, because I just don't feel like it's needed. I don't really want like a super neat look, but I just do it for this, so like when I'm braiding it just looks, you know, better. I weave the human hair in like very thin. I use very thin pieces, because my hair, look, you guys can see I barely have anything over here, and I just put it up to like a decent level, like this one is up to here. That's it, that's all I need, because my hair isn't that long, so yeah. So I start off by braiding the hair, and I can already feel like this is just way too thin. So I get a small piece, something like that, barely see it, and I just add it, and I just keep adding until it's like the thickness that matches the rest of my natural hair. So just keep going. I don't want it to be too thick that it's so heavy that I could lose my edges, but I feel like, yeah, like this is a decent amount. I don't know if you guys can see. And then you guys can see that it's quite short here, so I'll just add another piece over here once I want some more length. And then when I get to around here, I can see that it's not going to be even, and I feel like the way to make it look more natural is just making it look even. And I just snip it off over there, and I just carry on braiding until I get to the end, and then it should basically look like this one, like that. So I've completed my hair. This is how it's currently looking. I have just applied some heat protectant onto my hair, because I'm going to straighten the ends. I kind of want them to like flick like this, kind of like how Brandy used to wear her hair with her micro braids. So I'm just gonna do that. I'll start from the back and then work my way to the top. Maybe I need a little bit more heat protectant, it's a bit dry. And the one I'm using is the Cheese Silk Infusion. It was on 250. I hope that is okay. So, yeah. First I'll straighten it. Just go slowly, 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 slowly. So now, I think I need this on like, I think, yeah, I got a different type of hair, you know. My hair is thick. So, okay. Right, that's on 270. Okay. That's straight, and then I want to flick it. Yep, just like that. You see like that? That looks so cute. Maybe like this much. Straighten it first. Just go slowly. Yes, that looks so nice. Yeah, okay. And then I flick it. Yes, like that. I think this one needs to be a bit more. It's just acting up a bit. Yeah. Okay. So that's how this side is looking. Looks very, very nice. Okay, so this side. So I straighten it. And then I flick. Oh. Yeah. Okay, so this is the final look. I love it so much. Yeah, it's like I have a silk press, but I don't have a silk press. It's very, very nice. This is the back. I can't believe this is all my hair. I just hope this doesn't turn into micro locks because I don't have time for that. Anyway, this could be my micro lock journey. So let me explain to you guys. So in the front pieces over here, like all my hairline, I used human hair pieces for this. I was just like any bundles that I had. I don't know the name, but I just took any bundles and I just weaved it in. And then the rest of it is my natural hair. The only product I used was Blue Magic. And that's it. This is the final look. I love it so much. I can't wait to like flip it around and just do different hairstyles. And I'll show you guys how I do those hairstyles. And I think to maintain the curls, I will be using rollers instead because I can't be straightening my hair because otherwise what's the point of this hairstyle? And I don't know how long I plan on keeping this. Maybe like 1 or 2 months maximum. I don't know. But this took way too long. I think this took 3 whole days in total because I was busy. I was just doing other things. But yeah, I love it. It's so cool.